Education is the best investment in the future. And at Careerera, we help you invest wisely. From certifications in cybersecurity, to doctorate in business administration, arts, and many others. Careerera offers career-focused programs that shape real futures. With a global footprint across 60-plus countries, 7 offices, and 500-plus professionals. We're not just teaching. We're transforming lives. Learn from anywhere, online or in person. With 18 lakhs plus registered users. Careerera is ranked among the world's top education providers. Our mission? Learn, grow, excel, empowering individuals with knowledge, confidence, and career-ready skills. Our vision? To be the world's leading lifelong learning destination. Transforming society through education and innovation. Careerera. Learn today, lead tomorrow. Join the 18 lakh